How to make your beard grow faster and thicker. Growing a thick and full beard is a common desire among men, but not everyone is lucky enough to have a thick and fast-growing facial hair. While genetics play a major role in determining the growth of your beard, there are several steps you can take to encourage its growth and maintain its health. Here are 10 ways to make your beard grow faster and thicker. 1. Supplements. There are a variety of supplements available that can help promote hair growth. One of the most common supplements is biotin, which is a type of vitamin B that promotes hair growth and can help optimize the health of your facial hair follicles. Other effective options may include vitamins A, C, and E, as well as fish oil and zinc. While these supplements may not work overnight, they can provide long-term benefits in terms of beard growth and thickness when taken regularly as part of a balanced diet. To get the best results possible from using these supplements, it's recommended that you consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist who can advise you on the right dosage and frequency based on your unique needs. 2. Diet. Your diet can also affect your beard growth. Ensure that your diet includes protein-rich foods such as eggs, nuts, and lean meat, which will help in boosting the production of hair follicles. Additionally, incorporating foods rich in vitamins B3, B5, and B9 such as avocado, whole grains, and leafy greens can help to increase the production of keratin, a protein that promotes the growth of hair. 3. Exfoliate your skin. Exfoliating your skin can help remove dead skin cells, which can clog follicles and hinder hair growth. This can help reduce ingrown hairs and prevent irritation, which may otherwise slow down beard growth. This process also increases blood flow to the face, allowing for better nutrient delivery to hair follicles. To exfoliate effectively, use a gentle scrub or exfoliating cleanser regularly, but avoid overdoing it as this could damage your skin's natural barrier. 4. Keep your skin clean. Keeping your skin clean is essential for healthy beard growth. Dirt and oil can clog your pores, which can slow down hair growth. Make sure to wash your face with a gentle cleanser twice a day. This will help remove any dirt or oil that may be blocking your hair follicles. 5. Massage your face. A gentle massage can stimulate blood flow to the follicles, which can promote growth. To start, take a few minutes each day to gently massage your face in a circular motion. It's important to use the right kind of oil or cream while massaging, though, as harsh products can actually damage your skin and slow down beard growth. Jojoba oil, coconut oil, and argan oil are all good options to consider. You should also take care not to over-massage or apply too much pressure, as this can cause irritation or inflammation. 6. Moisturize your skin. Dry skin can lead to dry and brittle facial hair, which won't grow thick or healthy. Make sure you're using a good quality moisturizer on your face daily, especially in the areas where you want to encourage beard growth. You can also use natural oils like jojoba or almond oil as a beard oil to keep both your skin and hair hydrated. It is important to apply the product gently, allowing it to penetrate the skin, and then brush or comb your beard to distribute the moisture evenly. 7. Quit smoking. Smoking can have a negative impact on your beard growth. It damages your hair follicles by reducing blood flow to your face, which in turn leads to a decrease in the growth rate of your beard. Furthermore, smoking also reduces the production of testosterone, a hormone that is crucial for hair growth. 8. Start exercising more. Exercising regularly has been shown to have a positive impact on the growth and thickness of a man's beard. This is because exercise helps to increase blood flow and circulation throughout the body, including the face and facial hair follicles. By engaging in activities such as weightlifting, cycling, or even yoga, the increased blood flow and oxygenation to the beard follicles can lead to improved growth and thickness. Additionally, exercise can also help to reduce stress levels, which can have a negative impact on hormone levels and hair growth. 9. Get plenty of rest. Sleep is essential for hair growth since it's during this time that your body produces a hormone called melatonin, which promotes cell regeneration. Lack of sleep, on the other hand, increases cortisol levels, a stress hormone that can lead to hair loss and thinning. Aim for at least 7 hours of sleep every night and establish a consistent sleep schedule so your body can develop a routine. 10. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated not only helps to flush toxins out of your body, but also supports healthy hair growth. When you're dehydrated, your body goes into survival mode and conserves water, diverting it to your vital organs instead of your hair follicles. By drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day, you can help to ensure that your beard receives the hydration it needs to grow strong and healthy. Additionally, drinking plenty of water can help to prevent split ends and breakage, allowing your beard to reach its full potential. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.